Mustang Rebuilder here. It's Sunday. I'm making this video. It's not a repair video. It's something very important to all the guys I deal with in the stump grinding industry, tree industry. If you own a business, also if you're in the automotive repair industry, auto body shop, or basically, honestly, if anybody in your family owns a small business, and small business by federal government is 500 employees or less, okay? So if it's just you, you're a sole proprietor, that's fine. You can fill it out. This is for grant money, okay? Grant money means you don't have to pay it back, all right? Now, there's very lenient requirements. You won't even have to proof of documents. I mean, as far as faxing in or sending in your tax returns, all that. No, you don't have to do it right now. This is an emergency the government put in. President enacted it in, I think, Thursday or Wednesday. It went into effect. The money will dry up. It's for $10,000 that you can use to keep your business running. A lot of you stump grinding guys out there have been affected either by wintertime or this corona crap has slowed your business down immensely. Some of you guys have brand new or big machines with big payments. Take the money, use the money to keep you running until this crap's over, maybe another 2 or 3 months. But I'm going to tell you something personally between you and I, okay? I've been in this game a long time, all right? And I've been in this game since before 9/11. And to let you know what this country went through a couple of big financial disasters, all right? 9/11 threw a lot of stuff to shit. But in my industry, it blew up. I did well. You know why? People didn't travel. People didn't fly anywhere. They stayed home. They improved their house. They did staycations, what they call it, right? They fixed their property. So trees, landscaping, all that went up. I did fantastic that year. Then came the financial collapse of 2007 with the mortgage companies, right? You'd think we would have went to shit. No, I did great again, okay? People stayed home. They invested back in their home. They didn't have money to go out and travel and blow and this and that, all right? So they stayed home. Or during all those foreclosures that they had, the banks would hire tree guys, landscapers to keep it up or to clean them up so they could auction them off, okay? So it was kind of a win-win situation for us, the guys that work outside, all right? So this money is by the Small Business Administration, all right? It's a $10,000 grant. It takes you, honestly, if you're a blooming moron, you could fill this out. It would take you 15 minutes. But if you have the average IQ, it'll take you 10 minutes to fill out this. You don't have to provide any tax information. It's very, very simple. I'm going to put a link in the description to this other guy with a YouTube video that gives you step by step by step. Okay? Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday to do this. The money will dry up. So the guys that are faster to get out there and apply for it, you get a confirmation, okay? And I'm trying to think what else to tell you about this stupid loan. It's not even a loan, it's a grant. Even if you never did this before, okay? Try it. Let's see if it works. If it does, God sent it to you, okay? You worked hard. You're a blue-collar man. By God, this country was built off the backs of us, okay? So stay proud. Don't think it's charity or whatever. Keep your business running, all right? Do it for your family, your kids, your grandkids, okay? And if you don't have a legit business, you file taxes, but you know somebody that does, help them out. Send it to them, okay? Help them out. That's what this whole thing is about. My YouTube page is about helping others out. You guys know that. I share stuff with you, all right? Remember, car guys, jump in it. You're in it too, all right? If you own a business, repair shop, body shop, whatever, you're in it. Apply for it. Try to get yours, all right? You deserve it. You've been out there. You put your guts in it. People don't realize, us guys that have our own businesses, we work harder than an employee does. When an employee goes home at 5, your ass is still doing shit, right? Or something breaks. The employee walks away. What do? You're the one that's going to reach deep down in your pocket and fix it, all right? And pay for it. Anyway, so all I'm going to say, I'm leaving you a link down in the description. The site has changed just a tad from what the video will be, but you just have to search in the beginning for what he calls it, okay? There's a specific name for the stimulus package. It's in the video. That'll be in the link below. It'll probably be on the second page, and you just have to look around and you'll find it. The first page changed from what this guy's video is, and it's going to change really fast. And next week, the week after, they'll change the requirements, and when the money starts drying up, they'll make it harder for you to freaking get, all right? So God bless you. Get yours. I hope you do get it, all right? And you know what? Pass it on to someone else. It's Sunday. Remember something, what I always tell you. If you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. I know you're not dead because you're watching this video, and I know you're not an asshole, okay? Because, hey, we're in this together. This is America. We made it great. Amen, brothers.